Heyo! Well, look at this. My den has gone to the Kimbara outback, and I can decorate it. Like, might want to put a mirror so the phantom can look at himself. Oops. Put the pumpkin near this pumpkin patch. There's a bit of wallpaper on the ground. Put a window. So yeah, my den has moved. Oh look, Greeley's little haunted bedroom has moved down here. My phantom's there. What else? Nothing ended up here. We'll put a window here. Yeah. So it seems to be, I went to go to my den just as somebody was locking their den because they had to decorate their den. They said they were going to lock everyone because they wanted it empty. And just as they locked, I went to my den and then I ended up in here. So like, look, yeah, so this is my den. It's got my user, it's got all my items. So let's try going into somebody else's den. Let's go this den for a minute, just quickly. Okay, not my items. Go back to my den. Oh, and it's back to normal. Yeah, so I just thought I'd share that. It always seems to do it when you get locked out and you go to your den. So yeah. Also, I will be doing a membership giveaway. I'll probably make another video about it, leave it up for a week, and it's just for non-members only. And I will have a membership code to give away. So there's no, I won't need your account details or anything. I'll just simply give you the code if you win, and you can become a member. So yeah, see you in the next video for that giveaway. Ciao!